What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to cover another feature of the NewsCrypto platform, and if you go over into their professional section here you will find a little tool called Market Price Reports. Now what these guys offer is every single week they'll get one of their experienced technical analysts to analyze certain crypto. So sometimes it's on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and sometimes it's on different coins that are also performing in that given time. So we'll just click onto one of these. We'll go for the most recent one. So these happen every 7 days. So we'll click on that first one there. It's going to analyze Bitcoin, and as you can see here, from the contents table, they're going to cover an array of topics and things that have happened within those 7 days, basically. Now, what I like about these little reports is that they're great for beginners, guys who are just starting out and they're really trying to learn, all the terminology, learn, support and resistances, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, volume, and just basically everything to do with technical analysis. This is a great, report for you guys to read every single week, and you're just going to get those words put into your head all the time, volume and resistance, and it's going to help you to understand, how all this technical analysis stuff works. But not only that, for the more experienced trader as well, not a lot of people, especially guys that might be working full time as well as trading on the side, or some other guys that have got some commitments, or maybe they focus on a completely different area of crypto altogether, and they just don't have that time to be going through charts and to trying to spot patterns and all these other things that we do during technical analysis. Now these reports are also great for those people because everything's already done for you. You've already had a technical analysis who's kind of summed everything that's happened up in the next 7 days, and also give some trading ideas for what could possibly happen within the next 7 days as well. So you can kind of see here from the contents table everything that it has in it. So it talks about the higher time frames and what that is showing currently in terms of price action, and also intraday analysis goes into a little bit more detail on the smaller time frames. Talks about the market structure, and then gives some trade plans. So as you can see when you go into it here, it's fitted with images as well. So as you go through, any sort of like chat patterns that are showing, and you can show images as well as the text, which is important. If something's following some sort of channel, as well as it being in text, it also has these images, which is great for being able to refer to it rather than having to go back to the chart, find the right time frame and all this kind of thing. So you can see for beginners, it's a great, the information goes really into detail about what's happened in the last 7 days. It's just got keywords in all the time that beginners these words that beginners really need to get kind of drilled into the head, and they're all in there. Everything that's happening, about candlesticks and support and resistance and volume and all these kind of things. So if you were to read these, if you are a beginner in crypto and also in technical analysis, and you're someone who wants to improve, just reading these reports every 7 days is definitely going to be something that can help you improve your terminology and your understanding of different patterns and their impacts on price action. And so and then at the end it gives some trade ideas of where you can take trades, give you some stop losses and take profits and all that kind of stuff as well, which is great for people who are practicing at the moment, maybe using some demo accounts and you're practicing with some fake money. This can give you some trade ideas. And so like we're saying, we'll go back. these guys offer one of these every 7 days. It would be on a a different cryptocurrency. It doesn't tend to be the same one every week. It tends to change it. And yeah, and then you can go to the market and check the results to see if the analysts' predictions came true or not. And yes, it's just another feature that's available on the NewsCrypto platform that I thought was pretty cool, and I wanted to want to give some awareness to it for you guys. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for listening as always, and until next time, bye.